Here's how you can get items on Temu. So first of all, start by opening up your application and log into your account. And once you do that, you just have to tap on your account on the bottom. After that, tap on earn free gifts and cash. Once you tap on that, you just have to go for this 5 free gifts on the top. So simply tap on get now button, and after that some ads will pop up just like that, so you just have to spin or you can also skip this. The main point is, as you can see, $0 right now. If I invite friends, I will get 5 free gifts, which is maybe worth 10 to $20. So you just have to pick about 5 gifts, and once you do that, you just have to invite about 5 friends, or if you have more friends, you can simply send them your invite link once you have ordered these products. After that, whenever they will sign up, you will get this discount. So hope this help. This is how to get items on Temu.